Hey there, cellist. Are you scared to death of thumb position? When someone else plays up there, are you like, oh my God, I have no idea what the heck they are doing? Listen, if you feel this way, you are not alone. I have cellists across the globe that are scared to play up there. But don't worry, you are in luck, because today I have 3 exercises for you. They're going to be quick and you're going to be able to pull them off, and they're going to demystify thumb position for you once and for all, okay? I'm Marcie Brown, the Cello Guru, and this is Cello 911. So, first exercise, I want to find and replace our harmonic. So here's the harmonic. Let's find it and then replace the 3rd finger with a thumb. Okay? Find it with 3rd finger, replace with thumb. Okay, you want to put your thumb over 2 strings, the A and the D, but only play the A string. Okay? I'm also sitting on this with my arm. All right, find it on the D string with your 3rd finger and replace. This is halfway between the bridge and the nut, this harmonic. It also rings the same name as the string you're playing on. So this is a D harmonic on the D string. Let's do it on the G string. It's a G harmonic, 3rd finger, thumb. C string, 3rd finger, thumb. Okay, that's thumb position. You're up there, all right? So that was the first exercise. The second exercise is I want you to find a scale up there, okay? So we're gonna play a scale in 1st position on the D string. 0, 1, 3, 4, 0, 1, 3, 4. And then we're gonna go up and find that same scale on the harmonic on the D string, starting on your thumb, okay? So let's do 1st position, D scale. 0, 1, 3, 4, 0, 1, 3, 4. Ready, go. Good, now let's get your thumb. Find with the 3rd finger on a D string and replace it with the thumb, right? Now I'm going to play the scale for you. Now you're going to play it with me, okay? Thumb to 1's kind of hard to find. Thumb, 1, 2, 3. Thumb, 1, 2, 3. Just goof around with it. Let's try it. Ready, go. Nice. What do you think? That top note is the octave. And your hand shape is an octave. It looks like this. So you can goof around with that, have fun. And the 3rd exercise I want to do with you is playing the Suzuki Anthem from Book 1, French folk song. We're going to play it in 1st position and then in thumb position, okay? You ready? Let's find Pinky. Here we go. Ready, go. playing up here. Find your thumb on the D string. Find an octave higher. Third finger on the A string, right? Now let's play the same thing. 1, 2, 3. Third finger. Nice. Now, if you didn't sound so good, that's okay. At least you're up there goofing around. You're going to sound better in no time. Put in about 5 minutes a day on this every day. Just goof around with these exercises. You're going to get better. I have no doubt about that. And now thumb position has been demystified for you. This is Marcie Brown. I'm the Cello Guru. This has been Cello 911, and I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next video. Hey cellists, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm always ready to solve your cello emergencies.